What more can you tell us, Pankaj Upadhyay, at this point of time? Which other hospitals are these patients being shifted to? Because more than 100 now need to be shifted out of the Zakir Hussain Hospital, Pankaj. Pankaj Upadhyay, can you hear me?
Yes, Gaurav. Gaurav, the latest information that I can share with you from Mumbai, because I'm right outside Public Health Minister Rajesh Tope's residence, is that the Health Minister has now moved from his residence towards Nashik. At the same time, what the office of the Public Health Minister is saying, that an expert committee is now going to be formed. Even as the Minister is on his way, an expert committee is going to reach the hospital and then apprise the Health Minister of what exactly has happened. Health Minister, while leaving from Mumbai, has also said that all those people responsible for negligence are going to be punished, but he has emphasized right now that he would be visiting the place, take stock of the situation, and only then he would be in a position to comment as to what has really happened. But precious lives have been lost at this point of time, and as you would expect, politics has also started between Congress and the BJP. Congress leader Sachin Sawant has said that we demand inquiry into the tragedy at Nashik Zakir Hussain Hospital. Anyone who's responsible must be brought to the books. Hospital is managed by Nashik Corporation, which is under BJP Maharashtra rule. BJP must take responsibility. At the same time, senior BJP leader Kirit Somaia has leveled allegations against the Congress party as well. So this is exactly what we've been seeing at the height of the pandemic, when you would have expected that perhaps all the political parties, forgetting their ideology and their differences, would come together on one platform, are yet again seen on confrontation mode. War of words has again started between the Congress and the BJP as far as this incident is concerned. But the latest information from Mumbai is that Public Health Minister Rajesh Tope has left for Nashik. He has confirmed the death numbers as well, and he has said that all those people responsible for this negligent act will be punished as well. Gaurav.
And Pankaj Khelkar, are all the patients at this hospital, apart from those 67, I believe, who were there on ventilator support and in ICU, all the other patients, are they also COVID positive? Is this a COVID hospital? Is everyone being shifted out? And which hospitals are they being shifted to?
See, Gaurav, as of now, 171 COVID patients were treated at this Dr. Zakir Hussain Hospital, situated in Old Nashik and is run by Nashik Municipal Corporation. Now, after this leakage and after the gap of almost half an hour of supply of oxygen, when 22 people have lost their lives, other patients who were semi-critical or who were on oxygen beds, like more than 50 to 55 patients were on oxygen beds. Some of them like on ventilators. So all the other patients are being shifted to other nearby hospitals, may it be private hospitals or other government hospitals or district hospitals run by the state government. So patients are being shifted. Some of them are in critical condition, but yes, care is being taken, oxygen supply is being restored, and later on, once everything settles down, then these patients, if their health is stable, they might be again shifted to this Dr. Zakir Hussain Hospital. But as of now, what we could understand over here, after this mishap, wherein 22 critical patients who were on ventilators lost their lives due to supply shortage of oxygen supply, the other patients have been shifted to some other hospitals, and some of them of these who have been shifted are still in critical condition.
Okay, news just coming in. Politics escalates over the Nashik oxygen leak. Now we are being told both the Congress and the BJP are blaming each other. Congress party's Sachin Sawant has blamed the BJP for this mishap. Sachin Sawant tweeted, "The hospital is managed by the Nashik Corporation, which is under the BJP's rule. BJP must take responsibility." Where are the mayor and the 3 local BJP MLAs? Are they absconding? And Devendra Fadnavis, former chief minister and BJP leader, reacting to this. Let's quickly listen in.
बहुत ही विचलित करने वाली ये सारी घटना है। मैं मांग करना चाहता हूं कि तुरंत वहां के जो बाकी पेशेंट्स हैं उनको मदद मिले। कुछ पेशेंट्स को शिफ्ट करने की आवश्यकता हो तो उनको तुरंत शिफ्ट किया जाए। उसके साथ साथ अन्य किसी अस्पताल में इस प्रकार से घटना न हो, इसके बारे में तुरंत ध्यान दिया जाए। और ये जो सारी घटनाएं, इसकी एक बहुत ही डिटेल्ड इंक्वायरी भी की जाए, ऐसी हमारी मांग है। अभी के समय तो मैं इतना ही कह सकता हूं कि जिनकी मृत्यु हुई है उनके घर वालों के साथ हमारी संवेदनाएं हैं।
ठाकरे सरकार की बेजवाबदारी के कारण ये मृत्यु ने हत्या है। 22 मार्च को मैंने नासिक मेयर के साथ में यहाँ पर विजिट की थी। म्युनिसिपल कमिश्नर, सिविल सर्जन को फोन किया था। 22 लोगों की हत्या के लिए तुरंत क्रिमिनल नेग्लिजेंस के अंतर्गत कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए।